Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Building Your First Lens tutorial series. If you're watching this video, that means you chose the GenAI option on the world camera. If that's not what you chose, then you should go back a video. So let's jump into our project and get started. We're going to start by going to the GenAI suite to the right of the preview panel. When we scroll down, you'll see that there's a lot of different options for what we can make. Let's try the Immersive ML option. We'll click that, and a window will pop up. On the left, you'll see that we can enter a text prompt or an image. I'm going to use the text prompt option and use the text watercolor painting, vibrant, color, beauty, bright, and rainbow colors. I found it's helpful for the AI if you can write something very visually descriptive so that they can contextualize what you want to see. Once your prompt is ready, just click Generate. You'll have to wait a few minutes to let it generate a preview, but once the preview is ready, you can click on it and scroll through the different images to get a feel for what it'll look like. I think that this will be a really cool looking effect, but if you're not happy with it, you can try other images or text prompts. Here's some examples of immersive ML effects I've made before. You can see it's pretty easy to experiment with different effects, and they can look really good. Once you're happy with how your effect preview looks, you'll click the Create Model button on the bottom right. You'll need to wait several hours for the model to be trained, so go get a coffee or watch a show and come back later to check it out. When it's ready, you'll see that we can click the Import to Project button and it'll add the effect right to our scene. Let's click out of the GenAI suite and check it out in the preview panel. Wow, that is a really cool effect. But one thing I'm noticing is that the elephant isn't showing up anymore. So let's take a closer look at the Immersive ML Effect object and see why. When we click on it, we'll see that it has an input texture in the inspector panel. Right now, that input texture is the device camera texture, which is basically just the camera input with no effects. If we change this to the render target, which is the lens output, it'll render the effect over the elephant, and that looks amazing. We can switch the camera to see how it looks on the selfie camera as well. There are a lot of really cool ways to add high quality ML effects to your lenses in the GenAI suite, so I would highly recommend checking out the other options, especially the ML face effect. That one is really fun. And now you have a complete lens. Make sure you save your work so you can go back later and update if you need to. The last thing to do is publish your lens, which we will cover in the next video. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.